friends, I'm Kaylin, a nutrition educator with CalFresh Healthy Living for the University of California Cooperative Extension. And welcome to Harvest of the Month. This month we'll be learning about apples. Apples are fruits that can be found on fruit-bearing trees. The Spanish name for apple is manzana. Did you know that apples are one of the most widely cultivated tree fruits? Because of this, apples have a long recorded history. It is believed that apples originated in the Caucasus, a mountainous region between the Black and Caspian Sea. Apples have been cultivated since the rise of Greece and the fall of the Persian Empire. They even went as far as migrating to Rome and Europe. Over time, apple varieties have come and gone in popularity, and at one point some varieties were almost lost, but thankfully were saved by the English Church's tradition of orcharding practices. Apple growing arose during the 15th century in Renaissance Italy, with France and England following suit. Apples remained popular in Europe into the 1800s, when English settlers brought apples with them to the Americas. Did you know that there are about 2,500 varieties of apples grown in the US and more than 7,500 grown worldwide? The apple industry in California dates back to the 1800s. Today there are more than 450 growers in the state. Can you think of any apple growers here in El Dorado County? California ranks 5th in commercial apple production in the US. And California is known for its variety of apples and its newly produced varieties. To name a few, there's Red Delicious, Golden Delicious, Gala, Fuji, Granny Smith, Pink Lady, and the list just goes on and on. California apples are harvested throughout the year and many varieties are available year-round. A half cup of sliced apples is a great source of fiber. Fiber is important for proper bowel function. Apples can be eaten in many different forms, as a whole apple, unsweetened applesauce, dried, or 100% apple juice. Apple trees are grown in temperate regions of the world. Apple trees are deciduous. And you're thinking, what does deciduous mean? Deciduous means that the tree sheds its leaves annually during the fall. In spring, white blossoms appear on the apple tree's branches, but they're only around for about 9 days. Bees, and especially honeybees, help to cross-pollinate the blossoms, which is the first step in forming an apple. Apples continue to grow through the summer until they are harvested in the late summer and early fall. Apples are cultivated through a process known as grafting. Grafting is a process whereby a short section of a shoot is taken from another desired fruit-bearing tree. That short section is then inserted into a limb or trunk of a seedling tree. Then the grafting union, where the two sections meet, are held together tightly and secured. The fresh graft is then sealed with grafting wax to prevent drying before the two sections have had a chance to heal. Looking for more information about grafting? Check out this UC&R video about grafting fruit-bearing trees. Is anyone else getting hungry, or is that just me? Check out this link below for this apple-spiced baked oatmeal recipe from foodheroes.org. What's your favorite apple recipe? Apples are one of my favorite fruits, especially Granny Smith's. I hope they're one of yours too. Remember, the Spanish name for apple is manzana. Thank you for joining us on this spotlight of apples as our harvest of the month. How will you enjoy apples this month? See if you can find apples in your school cafeteria, at the grocery store, or in the garden. Thanks for watching. See you next month.